Alrighty, so I am about to head over to Quadra Island, which is over there, and stay for a couple of days camping on my friend's property. They're building a place over there. Check it out on Instagram. It's called the Cove on Quadra. So they purchased a block of land and they're building a place, and we'll Airbnb it. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm going to be the first guest, even though I'll be in a tent. But I've just heard from a lady in town. She said it's absolutely stunning over there. So super excited. Hey, so I finally made it out to the Cove here on Quadra Island, which is a property that my friends James and Courtney have purchased and are going to be building a little house for vacations and getaways and Airbnb-ing it out to the general public. So be sure to check out their Instagram page, which is the Cove on Quadra. But I've got my tent set up, so I'm very privileged to be the first guest. And so I'm going to be spending a couple of days out here just relaxing, chilling out in the sun, reading my book. May or may not possibly take a dip. It's still quite cool. But this is the stunning view. Look at that. You couldn't ask for more. The water, snow-capped mountains over there, on an island. Absolutely stunning. So I'll just do a bit of a tour around. So they've got the foundation down. They're going to start building very soon. And that's the driveway up there. So hopefully you saw the deer. I don't know if it showed up or not on the GoPro. I'll find out when I do the editing. But lots of deer on the island. I've had 3 jump out in front of me already today. So if you're driving or riding a motorcycle, be extra vigilant for sure. Go slow. But look at this. Just beautiful. I cannot wait till they build this house. It's going to be stunning. Imagine staying up here for a week or a weekend. Super quiet. Couple of houses dotted around up here on the hills. House up there. But just absolutely stunning. How relaxing is this going to be? Oh, I think my book, glass of wine, I am done. Absolutely done. See you in a few days. So here we are, late afternoon, early evening. The tide has come way in. And I don't know if the video will pick this up, but there's tons of fish jumping around up there, and there's some fishermen just up around the corner. And Bill, the neighbour who lives up there, so that they're out fishing for ling cod. So yeah, anyone interested in fishing, this is the place to be. And oh my god, I think that is a seal. Oh wow, that is definitely a seal swimming out there. Oh wow, that is so cool. I might have to put my bathers on and go for a swim. I know the water's cold, but blimey, I would love to go for a swim and to swim with the seals. This place is freaking awesome.